It's mail call day, and these are my favorite videos for obvious reasons. I get to open up some new goodies and try them out. And I've got several this week, and I don't know what this video is going to be titled yet because it depends on what's in the package. So I think we will start with this one, and this will be the unboxing and first impressions video for whatever is in this package. And I am going to be opening this package with the Kaiser lead. Fantastic little knife here. Probably the best mic card I've ever felt on a knife. This stuff's amazing. Great little blade. Perfect little fifth pocket knife. Highly recommend it. What do we have in the, what's in the box, man, or the package? Well, that's just kind of cruel and unusual punishment there. Why do all that? I don't want to destroy the box getting it open. It's a little bit overkill here. One of these, I know what the knives I ordered are, and it's not just knives, but I know what I ordered. I just don't know which is in which package. One of them is a very popular knife that many people have already reviewed, and I finally broke down and bought one. I don't know if this is that or not, just because I wanted one. And it also has something to do with this one I won from Neves Knives. Just a little hint. But this does not appear to be that. This is a Petrified fish knife I ordered. And I'm going to have to cut. This is my first Petrified fish knife, by the way. I've never had one before. And I wrote the model number down, and I left it laying somewhere. So let me get that model number real quick. Okay, that model number for this Petrified fish is PF929. And let's take a look at it. Oh, get your nice little white cloth here. Very similar to Kaiser, actually. Almost identical, just different logo. Alright. Get this out of here. It's heavy, that's for sure. Oh man, that G10 feels really good. Let's get that off of there. I think it just pulls apart. I don't think I need to cut it. Yeah, it just pulls out. I like to save everything that comes with a knife in case I ever decide to sell it or trade it. The new owner can have it the way I got it. Ooh, yeah. That's nice. Deep carry pocket clip. And this is not a review or anything. This is just an unboxing of first impressions. Let's try the thumb flick. It's a little tricky to get your thumb in there, but that's alright. Lock bar is good, real good. Let's try the reverse flick. Yeah, it's going to take some getting used to. Feels a little stiff at the moment, but I'm sure it's going to break in nicely. Man, that's a good filling knife. The ergos are really good on it. At this point anyway. Again, this is just an unboxing, first impressions. When I do the review, I will give you all the details, but got the G10 backspacer in there also. It's a nice looking knife, especially with that two-tone blade. It's the parts that have not been ground or DLC coated black, and then the blade. I'm not sure what finish that is. It's not a satin, I don't think. Yeah, maybe it is. Yeah, I think it is a satin. We'll go ahead and do a cut test. We can see how it cuts out of the box. Yeah, it is nice and sharp. It's toothy though. It's very toothy. You can feel it. You can feel it grabbing the paper as it cuts through it, biting into it. So, I love this blade shape too. This Warncliffe. Man, it just looks sweet. Looks like a bird's beak there with the eye or something. And you can really get in with this. Get down on the tip easily. It's very smooth. Lock bar access isn't the best. Let's check the lock up out of the box here. Where's my flashlight at? Yeah, about 40%, so that's great. There is some milling in there for weight reduction. And like I said, I don't have the weight or anything on this right now. When I do a review of this knife, I'll give you all that information. Well, I guess I could go ahead and weigh it. Weigh it and get some measurements real quick. That's not going to affect the review. Let me see. Five and a half ounces, so pretty beefy knife. All right. Let's check some measurements here. Thickness, 1/2 inch, just a little over 1/2 inch. Overall length. Well, doesn't go that far. These are new calipers, so bear with me. Blade length. About 3 point, depending on where you go to. 3.5 cutting edge, a little more than that in the blade length. Handle length, 4.7 inches. So it's a good sized knife. Blade thickness, 14 thousandths or 15. Yeah, I'll do all the rest of the measurements in the review. But that's it. That's just the unboxing for this one. And now I'm gonna stop this video and record another one for this one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave any comments if you have any questions, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch.